Hello Fatmul friends. Like the video you have seen, the natural disaster that occurred in China is very scary. I took this video from various other social media sources, which we collected into a narrative in our video. So here we can see a very terrible natural disaster that is hitting in China. A terrible ice storm hit the whole city, so that the people there almost flew, and some fell, and some cried out loud. For that reason, let's pray together so that our brothers and sisters there are fine, and always on the right path. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to support our channel to develop in the future, so that we can share with the whole world about the situation that is happening to our brothers and sisters, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for helping our channel.